Teaching English requires flexibility. Teachers face large classes, diverse learning styles, and a wide range of capability levels, while institutions want to boost enrollments. With an increased demand on resources, teachers and institutions need to be very flexible. Introducing Touchstone Blended Learning from Cambridge University Press, the first fully blended 4-skills English language course. Aimed at adult and young adult learners of English, Touchstone offers 100% flexibility between classroom-based and online learning, with both using the same syllabus and teaching techniques to deliver the same learning outcomes. It lets you adjust how much classroom-based and online learning you use to blend the course based on your needs and resources. Touchstone Online provides learning materials that teach, encourage interaction, and give a huge variety of practice opportunities, all while delivering measurable results. Touchstone Online is a rich and varied experience that's filled with thousands of interactive activities. And Web 2.0 tools offer new opportunities for task-based and collaborative learning. Students work at their own pace and level in a results-based environment. The online content can be used to prepare for class, review material after class, or to replace classroom sessions entirely. A useful option if there's not enough class time to teach the entire course. The result is that Touchstone virtually guarantees learning success. Here's how Touchstone lets you blend the classroom and online experiences.
Here we go now.
Each activity from the student's book is designed to help teachers lead students to a specific learning outcome. This same learning outcome is achieved in an equivalent self-study activity set online. This is the key to the flexibility of Touchstone Blended. For example, here is a survey from the student's book. In class, the teacher sets up the activity with a series of scaffolded steps. Typically, there is pre-teaching of vocabulary, warm-up questions around the topic, followed by practice activities. Finally, the students complete the survey by listening to an audio CD.
What do you do after class? Do you go straight home?
Online, Touchstone uses scaffolded activity sets to provide the same instruction and support to help students achieve the learning outcome. The first online activity set pre-teaches the time expressions used in the survey. This is followed by practice activities on time expressions. In the next activity set, students see the survey and are asked warm-up questions to explain what a survey is and to introduce the topic. Then they're asked simple gist questions while listening to the same audio as used in the classroom.
Name, Robert Acosta. Occupation, student.
Finally, students answer comprehension questions.
How often do you go out? Every night? Once or twice a week? Where do you go? To the movies? To clubs?
Scaffolding allows the online course to actually teach English rather than just test or practice it, so students can achieve the same learning outcomes inside or outside the classroom. Touchstone Online not only replicates the classroom, it extends and improves on it.
Here we go now.
In a traditional model, students' exposure to English is limited to a specific classroom timetable. With Touchstone Online, students can now tap into classroom learning anytime and anywhere. They can review presentation material, do more practice activities, and interact with other students. Here's how Touchstone teaches. Hundreds of videos present the language in carefully constructed scenarios. This is the illustration phase. Next, students engage with the language presentation to figure out the grammar. This is the inductive phase, where students attempt to work out rules and patterns. And then, students see the grammar point explained in a flash movie. This is the deductive phase, where students are given the rule. The online course provides a safe learning environment for students to practice their speaking, free from negative peer pressure. Students can record their own voice and compare it to a model.
Would you like a snack?
Would you like a snack?
Students can also record their own videos as part of an interactive role play. So, they can practice the language as often as they like.
What do you do after class?
Here we go.
Do you go straight home?
Well, usually. Sometimes we go out to dinner.
Several Web 2.0 tools are integrated into the Touchstone online course. These include chats, blogs, forums, wikis,
Here we go now.
and voice tools. These tools are used to enable students to produce personalized writing and speaking. This is the production phase of the course, which is followed by interaction among students. For example, students are directed to write a blog entry at the end of every lesson for more language practice.
Here we go now.
They can also use the voice tools to answer questions from the lesson. Then share what they've created with teachers and other students. Online responses and comments lead to a genuine interactive environment. And all writing and voice recordings contribute to a student's portfolio for the course. Showing measurable results is a key benefit of Touchstone. A customized learning management system, developed specifically for language learning, monitors the student's progress. For each student, you can see what activities they've completed, their scores, and the specific learning outcome. Each outcome also includes a reference to the Common European Framework. Touchstone is a major innovation for students, teachers, and school administrators. A unique blend of classroom and online learning provides unprecedented flexibility, so your school can meet the demands of the fast-moving English language marketplace. Touchstone will change the way you teach English. Touchstone delivers.